Hi, I'm Scott Kersner, CEO and co-founder of Innovation Leader, and I just wanted to share with you a couple snippets of really interesting data from our most recent research report, A New Vision for Corporate Innovation, which came out in October 2020. One of the topics we explore in this report is how big companies think about and take action on emerging technologies. So we came up with a list of 16 emerging technologies, and we asked our 211 survey respondents to put them into one of a few different buckets. This first bucket is basically what are you learning about or exploring? And you can see blockchain, AR, and VR topping this list. In the second bucket, things get a little more serious because we ask which technologies you're actually investing in or pilot testing right now. And you can see analytics, artificial intelligence, collaboration tools float to the top of this list, and things like blockchain and quantum computing sink to the bottom. Our final bucket asks about emerging technologies that companies already have in market or they're accelerating their investment in. You can see collaboration tools, cloud infrastructure, emerging mobile technology and apps as the top three here. It's obvious that 2020 was the year that digital transformation was no longer an option. It couldn't be backburnered anymore, whether that meant supporting remote employees or engaging with customers that you couldn't see face to face. You can get the whole report either at our site, innovationleader.com, or from our sponsor, KPMG, on their site. Hope this data helps you as you plan for 2021. Thanks for watching.